No? And yesterday, we received the manifestation of the defense saying that they're not agreeing to it. Now, we just want to make clear that our position, as stated in manifestation, is that actually the impeachment court ultimately has the power to determine what is the order of presentation of evidence that they think would be most appropriate. No? Dito, maliwanag naman, ang sinabi din ng Senate President, kaya minungkahi ito dahil ito ang pamamaraan na mas makakabuti para sa lahat, hindi lang sa impeachment court, pati sa ating mga kababayan, dahil mas madaling subaybayan at sundan kung anong ebidensya na ilalatag ng magkabilang panig sa bawat article of impeachment. So sa amin, under the Constitution, the rules on impeachment, even the rules of court, at kahit sa pre-trial order issued by the court where it says that the court can still modify yung order of presentation of evidence. So ultimately, may discretion dito ang impeachment court regardless of the preference of the parties. So we will respect whatever decision the impeachment court will reach on this matter.
What was the defense reason daw bakit ayaw nila?
I would love to answer point by point the arguments that they raise, but it might be inappropriate for me to do so dahil we have not yet formally responded. But basically, they were disagreeing, saying that it violates the order stated in the pre-trial order and due process considerations. But ang point naman namin dyan, again, makakasagot naman sila, change of timing lang yan. At the end of the day, ang pinaka-importante is sa amin, ang may discretion ng impeachment court kung ano sa tingin nila mas makakabuti para sa lahat. Kung mas madaling masubaybayan, maunawaan ng mga kababayan natin, and of course also the individual members of the impeachment court, then they have the discretion to do that. At kung ano man magiging desisyon nila, respetuhin natin yan.